Orion Academy is located at Tribong Forest Gate and is easily accessible via auto, personal vehicle, and on foot, just a few steps away from the main road.
The Orion Academy, with its highly experienced and certified faculty, is committed to providing an exceptional education to all students, empowering them to reach new heights of academic achievement.
The Orion Academy is well known for not only providing quality education, but also for its off-campus activities including community service, fun events, and much more.
One of the things I love about the Orion Academy is the friendly environment and the healthy competition among students to bring out the best in each other.
Hey dear, just wanted to remind you that the COSEM result is out, and Orion Academy has achieved an amazing 100% pass rate in both science and art streams. The admission for the new session 2024-25 is now open.
You can drop by the institution office on all working days to pick up admission form and prospectus. For more details, feel free to contact.
Education is an all-round development.
Education can change our society.
Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world.
Education is the act of teaching knowledge to others.
Education is the act of receiving knowledge from someone else.
Education determines the quality of an individual's life.